Folks, this is Tim with Narhi Auctions, and this is the John Deere Z-Track 797. This has a Kawasaki 745 cc engine and 60-inch deck, and this is with Lake Fenton Schools, and their reason for selling is they're just getting some newer machines. Go ahead, Tony, if you would, and start that. Give us a little display. How many hours is it showing? 2124 hours. Gas powered Kawasaki. Everything works on it. They've had it serviced. They're just the reason for selling is just going to get some new machines.